Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to DIP and Art. In this video we are gonna learn all about harakats that are used in Arabic text. First one is fatah, then sukoon we have, and then after sukoon we have another which is mad. It looks just like a smaller alif. So these harakats are also called diacritical marks or accents. Here I am writing harakats which are used in full thickness. First one is fatah, then sukoon, then mad, and then leaf. Fourth one here I made is a leaf, which is used mostly for the decorative purposes to fill up the spaces between the text. Because in Diwani Jali script we have to give a text in a shape. Here I am writing a dam, which is just like a letter bow, which is smaller than wow, but here is tanween, which is similar to fatah and kasra. I'm going to write more harakats which are smaller in size, and for this I'm using the smaller marker. First one is fatah or kasra, and second is tanween, and this is shad, which looks like a smaller W. And here is hamza salah. We write a smaller swad over it. And there is also a mad, which is similar to the first one I wrote. And there are these leaves which are mostly used to fill up the spaces, and a dot. More importantly, in Diwani Jali we cover up the space with the dots. And then a dam, and then here is a sukoon, which is just like a droplet of water. It looks like a droplet of water. Now we have this mawazin. We have several shapes for this. First one which is not connected, and second one which is connected at the top, just like a letter Q, and a little extension at the top. And we have more looking like a letter Y, and this, and we have another one which is connected. For writing over the letter ha, we use letter ha just like this, the smaller letter ha, and then meme, and the second type of meme. And for the swad and for the seen and the smaller twa and ha, we have two shapes of making ha. First one is just like this, and this is the second one I'm making here. And we have this last shape. So this was all about harakats. I'll see you soon in the next video, inshallah. This is Mikra signing off. Fi amanillah.